Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of humanoid robotics with a look at some of the most cutting-edge AI robots making headlines. From humanoids that can walk and talk to tireless warehouse workers, get ready to be amazed by the future of robots. Let's take a closer look at 5 of the most impressive robots out there. 1. Tesla Optimus, Generation 2. Elon Musk always has something up his sleeve, and his latest creation, the Tesla Optimus, is no exception. This second-generation humanoid robot is designed to be a versatile worker, taking on a wide range of tasks in factories, homes, and potentially anywhere else it's needed. Compared to the first version, Optimus Gen 2 boasts significant improvements. It can walk at a much faster pace, navigate its surroundings more effectively, and its hands have improved dexterity, allowing it to handle objects of varying shapes and sizes with greater precision. Two, X1 Neo. The X1 Neo from X1 Robotics is another bipedal robot making waves. This machine is a true multitasker, able to adapt to a variety of environments and applications. Whether you need help around the house with cleaning or yard work, or require a powerful assistant in a complex industrial setting, the X1 Neo can be programmed to handle the job. With a strong, human-like form and powerful arms that can lift up to 75 kilograms, the Neo is a capable and adaptable machine. 3. Ameca. Now, let's shift gears and talk about social interaction. Engineered Arts Ameca might just be the most expressive robot you've ever seen. Unlike many robots that rely on robotic-sounding voices and pre-programmed responses, Ameca stands out for its incredibly realistic facial expressions. Its design allows it to move its lips and eyes in a way that closely mimics human conversations, making interaction with Ameca feel more natural. This ability to emote could be incredibly useful in fields like healthcare, education, and customer service. 4. Sophia. If you're interested in social humanoid robots, you've probably already come across Sophia. Developed by Hanson Robotics, Sophia has become somewhat of a celebrity in the world of AI. This social humanoid robot can hold conversations, answer your questions in a surprisingly natural way, and even crack jokes. Her ability to engage in dialogue and respond with humor makes Sophia a captivating robot, and it's no wonder she's been a popular choice for interviews and public appearances. 5. Apollo, Aptronic. Finally, let's take a look at a robot designed for the industrial world. Aptronic's Apollo is a recently released powerhouse built to excel in warehouse and factory environments. It can carry up to 55 pounds with ease, making it perfect for transporting materials or finished goods. Safety is a major priority for robots working alongside humans, and Apollo is equipped with impressive safety features. For example, it has built-in sensors that can detect nearby objects and automatically stop its motion to prevent accidents. Additionally, its swappable batteries ensure it can work tirelessly without long breaks for recharging. These are just a few examples of the amazing robots being developed today. As technology keeps advancing, the possibilities for AI and robotics seem endless. What kind of roles do you see robots playing in the future? Leave a comment below and let's discuss. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Bye for now.